Hemi, Dodge, ScatPack. This is a top of the line right here, man. We gonna do this.
Sound like you want to get into business.
Yeah, Bumblebee, don't come with me to all that Camaro stuff. This is a Dodge.
Listen,
Hemi.
when I start blowing up from this, man, I'm gonna come find you. I need that right there.
This is a Dodge, man. Ain't no Chevy, man. It's a Dodge. Hemi. ScatPack. Black on black. What tinted windows?
Maybe I didn't put my shirt on to give my shirt my hat.
What tinted windows?
No.
What tinted windows? Smoking.
Hey, you ain't got me another. You got my face in the other one.
Yeah, you in there, man.
I got some special. I got some special. I got the Beats music sound in there, man. Navigation. With the Beats, man. Call Dre. He put it in there.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Holland here on ViralSpeed, man. I want to thank you for checking out my channel once again. You know what I'm about to say next. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. And while you at it, hit the notifications so you can stay up to date with me on all my latest content that I put out. Y'all see what's behind me already, man. But before we get into that, man, I'm gonna introduce my guy right here. His name is Al. Brother, I appreciate you, man. Let me check out your car, man. You're gonna let me take it for us. You're gonna let me spin it, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, you're gonna let me spin it. There you go, man. I appreciate it, man. But speak before we do that. Have you done any mods to this? Any modifications to this ScatPack?
No, the only thing is it's all stock. Only thing I've done to it is paint the rubber skirts down there by red. But
okay.
Other than that, just get in and go.
Yeah, I like that, man. So basically,
it matches the bimbo brakes.
Exactly. So are they 4 pistons or 6 pistons?
4 pistons.
4 piston brakes. Okay. All right, man. So if you take a look at this, then, man, I appreciate you, brother. We got here is a 2018 Dodge Charger ScatPack, man. You see the big 392 Hemi right there. The brakes my guy was talking about right there. You got the Dodge right there, and you got your old mean ass B right there. That ScatPack. Look at that hood scope right there. That is dope. I love the all black too. Y'all know what I drive. Mine's all black too, so you know I fell in love with this immediately. Got your RT right there. Before we get in, hey Al, why don't you go ahead and pop the hood, man? Take a look at this engine. Just like that, we in there, man. Look at that. Powered by SRT. If y'all don't know what that means, street racing technology. This is a 6.4 liter engine, 485 horsepower with 475 feet of torque. I mean, what more do you need? Before we take off, man, this car got a lot of features that is just impressive, man. Definitely impressive, man. But if you could take a look, 180 on the dash. Here you got the Bumblebee right there on it, man. That looks nice, man. Look like you got plenty of room back here, fit about 3-4 people, man. So you'll be good back there as well. A lot of head space, so you ain't got to worry about that. A little moon roof right here, which is nice.
There you go.
There you go, man. Activate that phone there, Al.
There you go.
There you go. Enjoy that. Let us see, you know, all the little gadgets that I was talking about when you're in track mode and all that stuff.
Okay, now we have an 8-inch point for a screen, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. We go into we have different modes here. This one right here is sport mode. It's like for when you're in the city, you can hit this button, and it'll put the car into 8-cylinder. Cause right now, as you just drive, and basically it's 4-cylinders. So when you hit this sport mode, it changes the parameters of the exhaust, and then puts it in the 8-cylinder.
So you use okay. Use all 8 cylinders.
8-cylinder. Yep. So and then you have the super track, and you go into super track mode, and then there's where you go into your launch control.
Ooh.
And as you can see, there's launch control, and you have your different modes. It changes the steering, the traction, your paddle shifting. Which of course you have your paddle shifting up here, which is pretty neat to have. You know, especially when you got it in manual.
I love that.
When you go into manual, you bring the shifter down and flip it over to the left, and then you can use your paddle shifting. And of course, with it being in super track or sport mode, it changes the parameters of the muffler, so you get more exhaust, the rumble.
Right, exactly.
And
that's what everybody like. That's what everybody like. Exactly, man. It never gets sold too, man.
No doubt.
Never gets sold.
So there you go. You set your parameters, and you also idle it up. So this is also, you can take it to this track, and once you set your launch controls up.
Yeah.
And once you hit that button, it's time for it to do its thing.
Do it and do it.
So, I haven't used it because I haven't been to a track or just on the street because I just don't have the what do we say, my license. My license ain't ready for all that, get you a ticket, whatever.
Exactly.
So, it's something that I want to try, but I just have to go somewhere where I ain't got to be worrying about getting no ticket and all that kind of stuff.
Man, look, I told you, man. You know where I'm going. So, hey, you are more than welcome whenever you want. You are more than welcome to come, man, just to see what she can do, man, because this is just sick.
See, there's that's on normal. You can put in sport. What's it? I had to change over to what you call it. In order to see all this, I was talking about your traction and all that kind of stuff.
Okay. This is just nice, man. All right, so.
See, it's all this automatic set on sport mode.
Everything's in sport now. I'm gonna turn it off and then start it back up because some stuff shows up there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that, man. Let's go ahead and turn it back on now. Foot on the brake. Hit that start button. Oh, look at that B. That's nice, man. That is just nice. That's nice with it. All right, man. So I'm anxious, man. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to do this drive. We about to hit this freeway.
Well, you got your seatbelt on. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters, man. Boy, hey, I'm like this already, man. Like I said, 485 horsepower, man, behind this thing, man. But we're gonna see what it's gonna do, though.
No doubt.
Yeah, look, what we talking about a hater for? I'd rather speak about getting dough. I ain't even got enough yet. Like Busta Rhymes, baby, give me some more. That I got bills to make. Close your eyes, that's a money machine. Makes you say I was too short. They had me feeling like Draymond Green. Get money, that's all we know. Collection plate that cost the Holy Ghost. I ain't even got the bread yet. So how the fuck can I
Man, I don't even need no. I was talking about getting a Hellcat. I don't even need all that, man. I'm fine with a ScatPack. This is just nice, man.
ScatPack. I mean, all you doing is paying for that motor, and then
Right.
For 700 horsepower, you're not going. Unless you're going out to a track all the time with it. Something.
Exactly. You know what? Now that you said that, you're absolutely right. That's something that I would take. It's 707 horsepower, so I'm gonna take that with me. Out and have some fun at the track, but something just to have, just to look stylish, and to also have the power and excitement to go with it, and then you can drive it, every day of the week, whenever you want. So this is a ScatPack is perfect for that.
You cannot stop the love. When I sound like Frankie Mays, the Marius Thomas with the route.
I'm trying to figure out how to do that
with the wrist. I roll that bass on myself. What you know about taking risks? I know I'm broke, but my soul rich. I ain't cold without the 06. Watch me work when y'all go to sleep. It's like I crave for that third shift. I go get money like the landlord, cause I don't know where I'm gonna land, Lord. Man, life ain't cheap.
Quick response.
Good Lord, man. That's something, right?
And everybody said, man, it sounds good from the back. I said, well, I don't know. I'm driving, I can't hear the exhaust kick out. I don't know what it's doing back there.
Got no time for a hater, man. I'm too damn busy chasing paper, man. Dennis Rodman with the hustle, CT with the muscle, Eric Thomas with the message. I'm on my grind, leave a message. I got no time for a hater, man. I'm too damn busy chasing paper, man. Dennis Rodman with the
Hey man, there you have it, man. It's my guy Al and his 2018 Dodge Charger ScatPack, baby. It's the Bumblebee right here, man. This was nice, man. This was a fun, enjoyable ride. ScatPack. ViralSpeed. We out.
Yeah. Look, what we talking about a hater for? I'd rather speak about getting dough. I ain't even got enough yet. Like bust around, baby, give me some more. That I got bills to make. Close your eyes, that's a money machine.